Title of today's YouTube video, Best Free Tax Filing 2024. TurboTax vs H&R Block. Stop overpaying for tax services. I'll reveal the top free tax filing software for 2024. Are you ready to file your taxes for free in 2024? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the best free tax filing options available, comparing TurboTax and H&R Block to help you choose the perfect service for a stress-free tax season. Let's get started. Welcome back to our channel. Filing taxes can be daunting, but finding the best service can make it easier. Today, we are comparing TurboTax and H&R Block's free tax filing options for 2024. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for is the showdown between TurboTax and H&R Block. First, we check user interface of the both tax filing software. TurboTax is known for its sleek and intuitive interface. The guided step-by-step process makes it easy for even first-time filers to navigate their tax return. H&R Block offers a straightforward interface that's easy to navigate. The layout is simple and user-friendly. Second, income coverage. TurboTax, the free edition, covers simple tax returns including W-2 income, unemployment income, limited interest, and dividend income. The free edition covers a wide range of incomes, including W-2 income, interest and dividend income, and some retirement income. Third availability option of state returns. TurboTax offers free state return filing and the federal return in the free edition. Like TurboTax, H&R Block's free edition also allows free state returns. Fourth, support from the service provider. TurboTax provides access to their TurboTax Live Basic package, which allows users to get help from a real CPA or EA. H&R Block stands out with its extensive support options. They offer in-person assistance at numerous physical locations, which can be a significant advantage if you need face-to-face help. And last, check accessibility, mobile accessibility. TurboTax has a strong mobile app that lets you file taxes from your phone or tablet. H&R Block includes additional forms in its free edition, such as 1099 INT, 1099 DIV, and even some student loan interest forms, which can benefit students and young professionals. Now we dive into user reviews in depth. TurboTax users appreciate the ease of use and the ability to import data from previous years or directly from financial institutions. Many reviews highlight how the step-by-step guidance simplifies the tax filing process. However, some users mention that the upselling of paid versions can be a bit intrusive. H&R Block users often commend the customer support and the availability of in-person help, which provides an extra layer of comfort. Including more forms in the free version is also a significant plus. Some users, however, find the online interface to be less polished compared to TurboTax. Let's check real-life scenarios. Scenario 1. Jani is a college student with a part-time job. She has W-2 income and some interest income from her savings account. For Jani, TurboTax could be a great fit due to its user-friendly interface and mobile app, allowing her to file quickly and easily. Scenario 2. Jackson is a freelancer with various 1099 forms. He also has some student loan interest. H&R Block's free edition might be more suitable for John because it covers more forms and offers the option for in-person assistance if he has questions. Key takeaways. TurboTax is ideal for those who prefer a seamless, user-friendly experience and are comfortable filing online. H&R Block is perfect for those who might need additional support and have a more complex tax situation. At last, we share our final thoughts. Remember, The best free tax filing software is the one that fits your unique tax situation. Whether you choose TurboTax for its simplicity or H&R Block for its comprehensive support, both are excellent choices to help you file your taxes for free in 2024. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tax tips and insights. Don't forget to share your experiences and favorite tax filing service in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.